I was not going to make a video, but then I saw this one. We have breaking news, breaking news. An earthquake just struck in Alaska, 7.2. You see here, people, I cannot believe my own eyes. This is just 12 minutes ago. You see here, people, 13 minutes ago, 7.2. This video is about earthquake. We have a lot of developments and escalation in Syria. We have Israel bombing Syria today, and um, um, Syrian army was attacking, about to attack Al-Suwaida community, Druze community, but the Israel bombing, they withdrew the forces. But we're gonna concentrate on this one. I wanna make this video very short. This is 7.2. Let's look at the map where it hit. Let's try to get information about this one. Will this cause tsunami? Maybe. We don't know about yet. This is, of course, Greece. You see, this is also very active. We have one here. So let's see here, Alaska, where we can get this one. This is California and Nevada. I don't know if I can. This is 7.2. You see here, 7.2 is a big one. It's a big one. So let's write 7.2 Alaska. Let's hope this will not create a tsunami. Let's see here, 7.2 earthquake. Hopefully it is not inhabited area. Let's see here, earthquake. So yeah, tsunami alert, tsunami alerts. I repeat, tsunami alerts. We have tsunami alerts. Tsunami warning, tsunami warning. Let's see here. I cannot read Twitter. Cannot read Twitter. All this Twitter, people. All this Twitter. Let's see here. So let's try to get the warning. Tsunami warning is posted. Portion of Alaska, 50 miles, Sand Point, Alaska. Alaska. Let's see here. Alaska. No. Let's hope we can see. I cannot see Twitter. I need to use my other phone. Sorry for this. Sorry for this one. Let's give it a try. Here we have it. Here we have it. Where it hit. So we have a 7.2 earthquake. It hit outside Alaska. A tsunami is expected according to the magnitude, and we have all this area. All this area, it will be hit by a tsunami. Why I do say that? Because all this region, you see how the West USA, and this is the region where we have the Cascadian with a lot of volcanoes and an increased activity on the Western USA. Again, I repeat, this is very dangerous earthquake. The magnitude and the area allows the waves to be created to come to the western area, western coast of the USA. We have all this area. Like we have a Mount Rainier here, and this area, people, it is not like mountains. There's no mountains to protect. So the waves will be created and they will spread and they will go here. So again, I don't know if they're gonna cancel the tsunami warning, but this earthquake will most probably create a tsunami. 7.2 is a biggie. Again, warning. Even this area let's see here. It will create also waves to Kamchatka and this even to Russia and Japan. And it will go even to California. Again, an earthquake has hit in Alaska and it is 7.2. Warning! Please, please, please be alerted about this earthquake. You need to check the alert. Tsunami is coming to the coastal area of Western USA from Seattle until California. All this region, you need to move to eastern part of America. You need to move to the mountains, to Mount Rainier and this region inside America, because a possible tsunami will hit all this coastal line. Thanks God I got this warning. I feel it is. Everybody is posting on Twitter, and Twitter, they use Twitter, and I don't use Twitter often, but I've been watching the earthquake many sites at the same time. I've been watching all the time, the earthquakes since I was uh, reading the earthquake from Mount Rainier and around Yellowstone. I cannot get this to work. So again, 7.2 earthquake. Let's see if we have more information on Twitter. So nobody's watching me. I don't know why YouTube is doing that to me. I need to give alert. Not all people read Twitter until somebody will put a video on YouTube like a popular guy. I'm not popular. Nobody's watching my video. So this will be not good. Again, an earthquake magnitude 7.2 has hit Alaska, southern part of Alaska. I'm trying to get my other phone to work. Please have patience. We need to have more information. We don't 87 kilometers south of Sandpoint, Alaska, Wednesday, 16 July 2025, 20:35 p.m. UTC. An earthquake has hit 15 minutes ago, and a tsunami will be very, very possible now in 1 hour, 2 hours, maybe before that, we will have a tsunami. A magnitude, let's see here. A magnitude tsunami warning triggered after 7.2 magnitude quake strikes near Sandpoint. 7.2 magnitude earthquake struck near the Alaska Peninsula, triggering a tsunami warning for coastal regions. Authorities are closely monitoring the situation and urging residents to stay alert. The magnitude was later upgraded to 7.3. It is very big difference between 7.2 and 7.3. People, you need to take this tsunami alert very, very seriously. A powerful earthquake nearing 7.3 magnitude struck 87 kilometer, 5.3 miles south of Sandpoint on Alaska Peninsula. The United States Geological Survey, USGS, confirmed the offshore quake prompted authorities to issue a tsunami warning for nearby coastal communities. Emergency services are actively monitoring the situation and urging residents to stay alert and prepared for potential waves. This is breaking news, and we will update it with new details. All right? This is one. So I need to get this posted, of course. And this is the all information I have for you now. Please, please, if you see this information, this is not many sites putting this one. 7.2. Let's see here if we have other information beside the Twitter, because I cannot delete the Twitter. It's all Twitter here. You see people, this Twitter, 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 breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. Again, this comes after we had activity in Mount Rainier, that we had a swarm, earthquake swarm that continued more than a week and still ongoing. Today we had 3 point in Mount Rainier, and this area is maybe it is very near Yellowstone if you think about it, because even Yellowstone this week we had 2.3 and 2.8 and 2.6. So we have the volcano in Mount Rainier, a lot of earthquakes on the top of the mountain, and we have also earthquakes in California. Activity is on the rise, and then we have this earthquake, and it most probably, like, it will trigger a tsunami. Please, 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 people, you need to have a plan to evacuate, to move inside, leave the coastal line, move inside and south, west, south, sorry, east, south, east, south. Warning, a tsunami is possibly being created as we speak. Please, you have a half hour or 1 hour to evacuate the American western coast from Seattle in the northwest part of USA to the South California. Even cities like on the western coast, California, all cities on the coastline should be considering an evacuation. That's all, people.